the Redbubble game plan. What does that mean exactly? So the Redbubble game plan is fairly simple. It's the best, quickest, easiest way to start making sales on a fresh Redbubble account. And the way we do this is we make a new Redbubble account. Okay, I'm going to be using flying upload, but I'm only going to be uploading maximum 30 a day, maximum 25, maybe 30 tags. Okay, and none of them are going to be the same. I'm not going to tag spam, and maximum amount of designs I want to upload is 30 every single day. I'm going to do this for a month, so I will have in July, I think there's 31 days in July, I've got no idea. I'll either have 900 or 930, depending on how many days are in July, designs by the end of it. And I want to see a couple of things. Okay, so first of all, there's no guarantee that my store will even be indexed, but there are a couple of on Google. Okay, so what that means is if you go on Google and type in your Redbubble store name, your store will either come up or it won't come up. Okay, and normally it takes more than 30 days. So the first thing I want to see is, can I get my store indexed more quickly by linking my Redbubble store from various branded social medias like Facebook, Instagram, Medium, Quora, etc. Okay, so basically putting backlinks from my social medias to Redbubble, also probably posting it on other websites as well. And I'm going to be using probably one keyword method, maybe two, maybe three, but the main keyword method I'm going to be using is the one that I showed you in the last video, or the video before last, sorry, which is the using search operators on Amazon. Okay, so basically, yeah, just go on Google, use this search operator. Let me zoom in a bit, and then scroll down a little bit, find a keyword that you like stop it t-shirt, which if you imagine it just says stop it on it. And then you go to Google AdWord Planner, which is completely free. I'll also leave a link to this method in the description if you guys want to watch it. And then you just press get results here, and it'll actually tell you how many searches per month there are. But remember, because I'm specifically putting shirt here, although it only says 0 to 10 people are searching every month, if you can catch this traffic by appearing number 1 on Google, this is just an example, I'm not saying you can, but if you can, then you have a potential of 3 sales every month. Okay, and I'm going to be doing various different methods on Google AdWords. So another thing I've been experimenting with is just typing really generic words like shirt, and then clicking on 3-month change here and just seeing if there's anything interesting that just pops out to you while you're scrolling through. I did find some earlier like this, but I'm probably not gonna look for any now. Okay, so I just wrote funny shirts just to get a result a bit more quickly, and you can see it says here gobble me shirt. So if we search that on Google, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be doing trending designs by doing this. So presumably this is trending, I guess. I don't know when Thanksgiving. I actually have no idea when Thanksgiving is. Oh, okay, it's not for ages. So weirdly this is trending now. But yeah, you get the idea, guys. I'm going to be doing a variety of different keyword methods. I'll explain more in the video, but you won't see any of these videos for a while. I'm going to be releasing this video just to explain what I'm working on. But I'm going to be using the paid version of Ahrefs. I'm going to be using Keyword Tool, which, guys, I use these tools all the time. I've shown them so many different times. I'm going to be using Keyword Tool IO, and I'm going to be using search operators. And I'm going to see which actually makes sales and which don't make sales. Search op. If I do this successfully, this will 900 designs is the most designs I've ever uploaded to Redbubble. So if I can do that in a short amount of time, I'll be really happy. Probably I'm going to be writing articles on Medium as well. I'm going to be running an Instagram bot, which, if you don't know, I did this before. and I grew an Instagram very, very quickly, just by posting memes, posting my Redbubble products. I made 3 or 4 sales doing this as well. If you look, I've got 757 followers, and the engagement on memes is really, really high. This page has huge potential if I wanted to grow it. So I'm going to be doing this again. I'm going to be doing it in secret, so you guys are not going to know about it. But I'm also going to be setting up Google Analytics, and obviously the Redbubble dashboard is automatically set up as well. And I will keep track of everything in a spreadsheet separate from that, and it's going to have my own kind of variables in there. I'll share everything with you guys when this is complete. We'll see how many sales it's made after a month, and then if it's made sales and it's like a decent amount of sales and we haven't been hit by the no index tag, which is another reason I'm doing this. I want to see if I can use Flying Upload, make a store and not get hit by the shadow ban, basically. So, I mean, if that doesn't happen and I'm making $100 a month from this, I'm probably going to carry on, because a lot of it could be evergreen and I could just be making money for God knows how long, and I could do updates on the store. Although the only problem is I might have to just keep it secret, because I just kind of want to have a niche that's my niche and my own keywords for once. I've shown you guys how to, everything on this screen, like I've done a video on every single topic here, okay? So I'll go through everything again, but I'll show you guys how to do things, but I'm probably going to be hiding the keywords and hiding the Redbubble, at least for a month, and potentially even longer than that. It really sucks, guys. I like to be open. I like to, you know, share things with you guys. I like to give you niches, etc., etc. But I think for this one, I'm going to play the cards close to my chest. The last thing I want to talk about is designing. As you can probably tell from this video so far, I'm not a designer, so I'm going to be using Canva. I do have Canva Pro. I'm probably going to be using Canva Pro. And also I'm probably going to be using Womba. I think it's called Womba or Wombo. Wombo Art, which is the AI tool that I talked about a couple of videos ago. If you go on my channel, then just look for the AI art video. I'm probably going to be using these two in conjunction to make some really, really nice designs. I'm going to do something a bit differently this time. I've done pretty much everything you've seen on the screen before, but this time I'm not going to make designs that I'm not happy with. So I really want to make aesthetically pleasing designs. So I'm not going to release just text-based designs. I'm going to be a bit more creative with it. And I've got some ideas for using open source images with the AI tool to make some really specific, nice designs that I can then put text on Canva or a background or whatever it might be, just to make it look nice. So overall, the cost, if you were to do this yourself, you'd have to pay for Flying Upload and also for Canva Pro. So you're looking at about $20 to do this. From what I'm seeing here, except Ahrefs paid, which is not really necessary for this method, it's about $20. So let's see if I can profit, even though I'm not paying for Flying Upload. Okay. Again, I've got an affiliate link with Flying Upload. If I get hit by the no index tag, I'm probably going to stop being an affiliate and stop advertising their product. Because if you're just going to get hit by a no index tag when you only do 30 designs, it seems kind of pointless. Okay guys, that is the Redbubble game plan. You'll see a video connected to this in the future at some point, but for now, you're not going to see anything more about this until it's complete. Maybe a couple of a couple of hints here and there where I'm posting if I made a sale, for example. But we'll see, maybe I'm getting ahead of myself. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you really soon with some more content, and peace out.